Okay, logarithms. What is the definition of the logarithm? Here, logarithm of the numbers, logarithm of n to the base a is equals to x. Here it is the logarithm condition. In these logarithms, these two are positive numbers. What kind of numbers? These are real numbers. Logarithm of n to the base a, this is read as, here logarithm, how to write this logarithm? Okay, how we are using this is later. Logarithm of n to the base a, that is equals to x. Okay, here n and a are positive numbers. Positive numbers, what kind of numbers? Real numbers. Positive real numbers. These two are positive real numbers. X is any real number. X becomes a real number. Here, there is a chance to get positive and negative numbers we will get in the result of logarithms. But here in the logarithms is existed for only positive numbers. Here we have to consider. Okay, a and n are positive real numbers. A and n are positive real numbers, and x is a real number. X is a real number. Here real number means positives and negatives we will get. But in this compulsory only positive numbers. This is the definition of the logarithm. Definition only this is. So for the negative numbers, logarithm does not exist. Okay. Now such that a is not equal to 1. Base is always not equal to 1. Positive numbers except 1. In the base of, this is the base here. Base is here positive real numbers but not 1. This symbol is if and only if. If and only if. This symbol is read as if and only if. A to the power x is equals to n. This can be written as like this. This can be written as like this. So this is a LHS part. This is RHS part. Like that we can consider. Whether this is the logarithm term, without logarithm we can write. Without logarithms can be written as with logarithms. So this is the logarithmic form. Two forms these are. This is the logarithmic form. This is exponential form. Logarithmic form, exponential form. How to read this is? How to read this is? Read as x is equal to is read as is. X is logarithm of n. Logarithm of n to the base a. Logarithm of n to the base a. Okay, like that we have to read. So how it is? See, generally we can write like this. You can logarithm of n to the base a is equals to x. This is logarithm. Write this in exponential form if it is asked. If anyone is asked. If the question is asked. Logarithm of n to the base a. This is the logarithmic form. Convert this in exponential form. Logarithm form is given. Convert into exponential form. How to write? With logarithm. Now we have to write without logarithm. Means exponential form we will get. So these two are interchanged. This a is not changed. A to the power. This comes here. This goes there. A to the power x is equals to n. This is logarithmic form. This is exponential form. Suppose exponential form is given. A to the power x is equals to n. Exponential form is given. Now we have to convert this as logarithmic form. How to convert? Base is same. Powers are interchanged. These two are interchanged. Base is same. There is no change. Logarithm of base is a only. Base is a. These two are interchanged. N comes here equal to x goes there. So logarithm of this is exponential form. We are converting exponential form in terms of logarithmic form. A to the power x is equal to n. These two are interchanged. This is not changed. Log n to the base a is equal to x. These two are interchanged. These two are interchanged. See here. N is x, x is n. Like that. This is logarithmic form. This is exponential form. Exponential form to logarithmic form conversion this is. See here, for example, x values -2, -1, 0, 1, 2. Y value we want to write 2 power x. 2 power x. How to write this is, as a table we can write 2 power x means 2 power -2. 2 power -2 can be written as 1 by 2 square. that results 1 by 4. Now 2 power minus 1 can be written as 1 by 2 power plus 1, that it gives 1 by 2. See, this is the x values we are taking. We are finding the y value, which is the y value of 2 power x. So through the graphs also, graph can be written, this is on coordinate system. In the coordinate system, by using the graphs we can draw the graph. So instead of that we are discussing 2 power 0, 2 power something is okay. 2 power 0 means the result it gives 1. Now 2 power 1 is 2. Now 2 power 2, it gives 4. See that now logarithmic form. This is a exponential form. How to write this is in the logarithmic form? First y. Y value, now we have to write y value 1 by 4, 1 by 2, next 1, 2, 4. Y values, these are the results. Now we will get these values. What is x? Now y we have written, y is in terms of x here. Okay, in this table, y is in terms of x. Y the result of in terms of x. Now here y, x should be in terms of y. X should be in terms of y. How it is? X should be in terms of y. 2 power x equals to y. Is it? 2 power x is equals to y. How can we write that x? How can we write that x? 2 power x like this. 2 power x is equals to y. In the place of like this, a power x means 2 power x. N is nothing but y. How can we write that now? With logarithms like this here. Instead of this, here we can write 2 power x, 2 power x, 2 power x is equals to y. 2 power x is equals to y. Logarithm of y to the base 2. 2 power x is equals to y. How can we write? 2 power x equals to y. How can we write? See, this is logarithm of y to the base 2. Base is not changed. Log y to the base 2, that it gives x. So what is x now? X is logarithm of y to the base 2. Logarithm of y to the base 2. Now the results of these are like this. -2, -1, 0, 1, 2. We will get like this, the table. Okay. How to write? This is logarithm of 1 by 4 to the base 2 we will get. Logarithm of 1 by 4 to the base 2. To the base 2. Base 2 is common. Logarithm of 1 by 2 to the base 2. Logarithm of 1 to the base 2. Logarithm of 2 to the base 2. Logarithm of 4 to the base 2. The result it gives like this. Okay. These are the logarithms. These are very useful in the sectors of companies, many companies. Okay. In the physical science also it is very important, these logarithmic values. Okay. Right.